to charge your Huawei Watch Fit 4, well, let me quickly tell you how you can do this. You can charge the Huawei Watch Fit 4 using the original wireless charger, which comes included within the box. And if you're wondering where to actually connect this charger to, you can connect it to like any source of power, like for example the monitor, the computer, laptop, or any charging adapter. And there's actually no problem if you wonder what wattage should be of this charging adapter. Well, there is no limit. I mean, you actually can plug it to 15 watts charging adapter. You can also plug it to like 100 watts charging adapter. There will be no problem with the charging, and also it will not damage your device by too much wattage on the charging adapter, since basically when you are charging any device, the device and the charging adapter are negotiating the required amount of the wattage to actually charge the device. So yeah, and also you can actually charge not only with this original charging adapter, but you can also charge your device with the regular wireless adapter. I mean, this with which you can charge your phone. Let me show you as I put this device on this charger adapter, charging wireless charger, I mean, then it is charging, as you can see. And additionally, you can also charge this device by the reverse wireless charging. So if your phone does support this function, you can turn it on your phone, and then you can put this smartwatch on your phone, on the back of your phone, on this wireless charger, and it will also charge. So that's basically the quick information for you. Thank you for watching.